Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study economics O-level. First, understand the syllabus thoroughly to identify key topics and learning objectives. Next, break down complex concepts into smaller, manageable sections. This approach makes learning less overwhelming and more effective. Finally, create a consistent study schedule, dedicating specific times each week. Regularity is key to retaining information and building a strong foundation in economics. To truly excel, master fundamental economic principles such as demand and supply, elasticity, and market structures. These are the building blocks of the subject. Utilize your textbooks, online resources, and past papers effectively to deepen your understanding. Don't just read, actively engage with the material. Also, make concise notes and flashcards for quick review of key definitions and formulas, which is crucial for recall. Practice is paramount for success in economics. Regularly engage in essay writing to develop strong analytical and evaluative skills, which are essential for higher marks. Solve a wide variety of multiple-choice questions to reinforce your understanding of core concepts and identify areas needing more attention. Crucially, apply economic theories to real-world scenarios. This helps you see how economics functions beyond the textbook, making the subject more relatable and easier to grasp. As you approach your exams, review past examination papers extensively to understand common question patterns and manage your time effectively. This practice builds confidence and familiarity. Identify your weak areas through these practice sessions and dedicate extra study time to improve them, perhaps by revisiting specific chapters or seeking clarification. Remember, consistent effort yields the best results. And for more great study tools and other deals, check the description below. Stay calm, stay focused, and you'll do great.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.